Welcome back. So far, we've learned that the vowels A, E, and I each make more than one sound. Today, it's time for another important vowel, the letter O. Many English learners think the letter O sounds like its name, O. But then they hear words like hot, dog, stop, and box. Suddenly, they're asking, why doesn't that sound like O? It's an O, isn't it? The answer is the same pattern we've been discovering through this series. The letter O has both a short sound and a long sound. Today, we'll learn the two most common sounds you'll hear every day. As always, we'll learn them in 4 steps. Hear it, see it, feel it, practice it. Let's get started. Hear it. First, listen to the short O. Ah, 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 ah. Hot. Dog. Box. Stop. Mom. Clock. Notice something? The short O doesn't sound like the name of the letter. It sounds more like ah. Now listen to the long O, which does say the name O, like in the word home, hope, boat, road, go, open. The long O says its own name, O. The short O says ah. Now let's compare these. Hop, hope, not, note, rod, road, cot, coat, rob. A rod is what I meant to say. No, rob is what I meant to say. Rob, rope. That's so funny. Rob, rope. One little sound changes the entire word. That's why vowel pronunciation is so important. See it. Now let's become pronunciation detectives. The short O is often found in simple words like hot, dog, box, and clock, stop, rock. Again, English has exceptions, but this is one of the most common patterns you'll see. Now let's look at the long O. Home, hope, rose, stone, phone. Notice anything? There's our old friend, the magic E. That silent E changes the O from its short sound to its long sound. Now let's look at another group. Boat, road, coat, show, toe, grow. Some long O words use OA. Others use OW. Others use OE. Don't try to memorize every spelling pattern today. Just remember, English usually gives us clues. The more clues you recognize, the easier reading and pronunciation become. Feel it. Now pay attention to your mouth. For the short O, you're going to drop your jaw, keep your mouth relaxed and fairly open. Your lips stay loose. Try it. Ah, 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 ah. Now say the words hot, dog, box, clock. Now the long O. Round your lips, almost like you're getting ready to blow out a candle. O. Now try home, road, go, boat, Did you notice the difference? The short O has a wide open mouth. Ah. The long O finishes with rounded lips. Oh. Watch yourself in a mirror if you can. Sometimes seeing your mouth move makes pronunciation easier. Now there are some common mistakes. Here's one mistake I hear quite often. Many English learners pronounce O like a long O. So instead of saying hot, they would say something closer to hot. Or instead of saying not, they might actually say note. Native speakers will often understand from the context, but those are completely different words. Remember, not every O says its name. Listen for the difference. Practice the difference. Your ears will become better every day. Practice it. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Short O, ah. Hot. Dog. Box. Clock. Stop. Rock. Coffee. Doctor. Excellent. Now the long O. Remember that's O. Home. Hope. Boat. Road. Stone. Phone. Open. Go. Great. Now let's mix them. We're going to do the ah, 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 and then the o, o, o. Hop. Hope. Not. Note. Rod. Road. Cot. Coat. Rob. Rope. Listen carefully. Can you hear the difference? Excellent. Today's detective challenge. Today, you're an O detective. Every time you see the letter O, ask yourself, is it making a short O sound, ah, 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 or a long O sound, O? Is there a magic E? Do you see an OA, an OW, or an OE? What clue helped you decide? Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to notice. The more you notice the patterns, the more natural English becomes. Okay, our 1 minute practice. Let's finish with 1 minute of practice. Remember, listen, repeat, speak clearly. Short O, hot, dog, box, clock, stop, rock, coffee, doctor, problem, office. Okay, excellent. Now long O, home, hope, phone, open, go, snow, toe. Now repeat both words together. Hop, hope, not, note, rod, road, cot, coat, rob, rope. Now let's practice with complete sentences. Repeat after me. The dog is on the porch. Please close the door. I hope you have a great day. The boat is on the lake. Don't stop practicing. Fantastic. Every time you say these words out loud, you're training your ears, your mouth, and your brain to work together. Keep listening, keep noticing, keep practicing. Next time we'll explore the letter U, our final traditional vowel, before we discover why Y is sometimes called the mystery vowel. Next, we'll explore the letter U. You'll learn why cut and cute are completely different words, why music doesn't sound like music, and how to master one of the trickiest vowels in English. Thank you for spending part of your day with me. Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing your confidence, one conversation at a time. If you'd like more conversation practice with me, contact me at EnglishTogetherHub.com. There, we can practice English together.